You were charged with unlawful carrying of a weapon. You were facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. He says that the AR is his.
He says he was aware that it was in the vehicle and it was within his reach in the vehicle. I don't believe it says in the DMs, it says he was driving the vehicle.
How do you put it on him?
Allow me to read the full DMs, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. It says that he was driving, so it would be that he was in care custody control because he was operating the vehicle with knowledge that the firearm was in there and it was within his reach, his ability to grab the firearm.
How do we know that how do we know that it was in there while he was driving? How do we know that they didn't put in there after the fact?
The defendant stated that he was aware that the AR pistol was in the vehicle before he got into the driver's seat, before he started driving.
Oh, no. It just said that he was aware. Don't add stuff in.
I'll read the complete DIM.
Read it.
It says the DIM states completely that the defendant informed the affiant, the officer, he was aware the AR pistol was in the SUV prior to him getting behind the wheel, and the defendant informed the officer that the AR pistol could be found in the SUV at the time of his arrest.
Are we to assume that it's his? All he says that he knew that it was in there. You know, it's not his car.
What do you mean when he was operating?
Was he operating it in the morning, in the afternoon, at 9 o'clock at night? When did all this transpire? What time of day is this?
Let me see, Your Honor, because based on the DIMs that I see, it appears that
there's a group of people.
It appears that the defendant was, according to the DIMs, the defendant was found to be at the wheel of a black GMC. So when the officer arrived, he was observed within the vehicle, from what the officer says.
Was in the car at the time the cops get there.
From what the officer says, that he was observed behind the wheel of the vehicle, to be at the wheel of the black GMC Suburban bearing a license plate number that is in the DIM. So it.
Okay, all right. Mr. Husband, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. I mean, we take it seriously. I want to make sure if there's enough probable cause that's, so I am ordering you as a condition of your bond not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand? If I find that you're a danger to my public, I only have one place for you. So don't. That includes everything. Do you understand, Mr. Husband? You have a lawyer. Because you have a lawyer, I will waive your appearance, but it is your responsibility to stay in touch with them. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're ducking, you're dodging, you pick up a new case, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? All right, I'm going to have you sign a receipt, Victoria. We'll have you take a seat in the juror box and get your bond conditions. We'll have you sign it, and then you're free to go. All right?
That's